Welcome back to Sprague Homestead. I'm Nikki, and today is going to be the first official video kicking off our series on raising 4-H. So what can you expect from this series? Well, we're going to go over all kinds of aspects of doing 4-H rabbits, from breed selection to feeding, housing, showmanship, terminology, a little bit of everything. I don't know how many weeks yet we're going to have these. I know there's at least 10 on my list. So make sure that you're kind of sticking around and going through it. If you have things that you specifically want answered that you would like to see a video on, go ahead and drop it down in the comments, and that way I can make sure that I'm getting those made. Now, if you're not in 4-H, if you're just one of our regular viewers, follow along. You might learn a little something, or if you have questions, feel free to leave them down in here. These are going to be shorter videos than our usual rabbit raising videos that can kind of get a little bit lengthy. I know some of those go as much as 20 minutes. So these should be a little bit shorter. We're going to keep them into tighter blocks for the kids. We are still going to do some more videos talking about individual breeds. Those will go back into the regular Homestead Rabbit playlist. And I'll just mention them on these 4-H videos. So if we're talking about something that you're interested in, New Zealand's, Californian, satin, something like that, you'll want to pop over to the other list and just kind of check those out. So with that, let's get started. Next video coming up soon. Happy homesteading.